look at question number 16. This was in KCPE 2013. What is the value of, into brackets, 4.5 minus 2.25 plus 1.5 divided by a 3/2? You close the brackets and then you divide by 2. We are going to apply BODMAS. And as you can see, we have the brackets. So our first step will be solving what is inside the brackets. And inside the brackets we have division, we have addition, and we have subtraction. So we are going to start with division. We have 1 and 1/2 divided by a 3/2. This will be, we change 1.5 into improper fraction. This will be 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1, we have a 3, so we have 3/2. And then we change the division sign into multiplication, and then the reciprocal of a 3/2 will be 2/3. And then we can simplify this. Divide by 2, 1, 2 divide by 2, 1, divide by a 3, 1, divide by a 3, we get 1. So we get the answer as 1/1, which is the same as 1. Okay, so what we have now will be 4.5 minus 2.25 plus 1, close the brackets, divide by 2. Now, the next one is addition. Okay, first we need to rearrange this, what is inside the brackets. It will be 4.5, we put the addition, so plus 1 minus 2.25 divided by 2. Okay, then when you add 4.5 plus 1, we will get 5.5. So we will have 5.5 minus 2.25, close the brackets, divided by 2. Okay, then to work out this, we subtract the whole numbers first and then we subtract the fractions. So it will be 5, you subtract 2, okay, the answer you get, you add 2, a half, you subtract a quarter. Okay, then all this is into brackets and then we divide by 2. So 5 minus a 2 will give us a 3 plus, you have a half minus a quarter, so let us work out that. You have a half minus a quarter. We find the LCM of 2 and 4, which will be 4. So it will be 4 divided by 2, we have 2, multiplied by 1, we have 2. You subtract 4 divided by 4 is 1, multiplied by 1, we get 1. So it will be 1/4, which is a quarter. So it will be a 3 plus a quarter, you close the brackets, divided by 2. Okay, now what we are left with now will be a 3 and 1/4 divided by 2. Okay, now to work out this, it will be, we change this into improper fractions. It will be 4 times a 3 gives 12 plus 1 gives 13. So it will be 13/4. Change the division into multiplication, and then reciprocal of 2 will be 1/2. When you work out this, you will get, it will be 13 times 1, we get 13/4 times 2, we get 8. So 13/8 is an improper fraction. So we need to change this into a mixed fraction by dividing 13 with 8. 13 divided 8 will be 1. because of 8, when you subtract, you get a remainder of 5. So the final answer will be 1, the whole number, and 5 over 8.